Good day everyone, my name is Micaela Refuya from Group 2 of BIT2R ALXP. This video is all about File Server Resource Manager. First step is go to the Start button and then click the Administrative Tools and select the File Server Resource Manager. After that, click the File Screening Manager. Click the File Screens. Wait for the loading. Then find and click the browser, then go to Computer and select the Students folder and then press OK. Click and select the Define Custom File Screen Properties and click Custom Properties. And after that, you will see the file groups and then select the auto and video files. Also select the executive files. Then click the OK button. After that, click again the custom properties and create. Click the Save Custom File screen without creating template and click OK. And that's it for File Server Resource Manager. Thank you for watching.